I can say that in this point, okay, here in this problem, what is the rate of loading? What is the rate of loading for this one?
0, sir.
0. Okay. So if that is the case, can I write this instead of ei into d square y by dx square? Can I write d to the power 4 y by dx? Sorry. Yeah. ei into dx to the power dy to the power 4 by dx to the power 4. That becomes 0. Okay. So if this is there, now if I integrate this one, then so I'm writing it here. Integrating this one, we have ei into d cube y by dx cube. That will give us the value that it is c1, and here this d cube y by dx cube, that is at x equals to 0, we have the CF force equals to R. Okay, so therefore C1 equals to the reaction 1. Okay, so therefore I can write it as EI into d cube y by dx cube equals to R. Okay, now the bending moment at any section the bending moment at any section is EI. So I'll simply integrate this one, EI into d square y by dx square equals to Rx plus C2. Okay, and where this C2 is the constant of integration. Okay, now here at x equals to 0, the bending moment is minus ma. Okay, so therefore EI or here I can directly put, so if x equals to, so ei into d square y by dx square equals to 0 minus, sorry, wait, so this implies c2 equals to minus ma, so this implies ei into d square y by dx square equals to rx minus ma. Okay, now if again I will integrate, then integrating again, ei into dy by dx equals to r into x square by 2 minus ma into x plus c3. So here, so till now we have three constants of integration, and another constant will be there because this one is the slope. Okay, so at x equals to 0, dy by dx, that becomes 0. So this implies, so here x is there, here x is there, so everything will be 0. So C3 equals to 0. So therefore EI into dy by dx equals to Rx square by 2 minus ma into x plus 0. Okay, or just like that you can write. Okay, now if I integrate again this one, integrating again, I will have ei into y equals to rx cube by 6 minus max square by 2 plus c4. Okay, now here what will be the value of c4? Okay, so at x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Okay, so therefore 0 equals to c4. Okay, so c4 becomes 0, so therefore ei y equals to rx cube by 6 minus ma into x square by 2 plus 0. Okay, now what will be the value of y? Okay, what will be the value of y at x equals to at x equals to at x equals to delta? What will be the value of, sorry, what will be the value of y at x equals to L? So that will be delta. Okay, so here I can find out that one. So I can write it here as at, sorry, at x equals to L, at x equals to L, y equals to minus delta. And why it is minus delta? Because it is in negative y direction. You can see here it is in negative y direction. Okay, so y equals to minus delta. Okay, so can I write, so if I put it here, then ei into, in place of y is minus delta, equals to rl to the power, sorry, rl to the power 3 divided by 6 minus ma into L by 2, sorry, L square by 2. Okay, so we also know that at b, that is x equals to L, the dy by dx value is 0. Okay, so if I use, or if I substitute this value in this equation, then what will be my value? So substituting the above, in the slope equation, so all of you please put that value and find out. All of you please put that value and so if I put that value in slope equation, can I write 0 equals to r by 2 into L square minus ma into L. You can see here I am putting. So here dy by dx at x equals to 0 is 0. Then at x equals sorry, x equals to at x equals to L, dy by dx, yeah, dy by dx is 0. So this becomes 0. This is RL square by 2 minus ma into L. Okay. So here from this one, can I find R equals to 2ma by L. Okay. Now, what is this ma? Ma is the fixed end moment. Okay. ma is the fixed end moment. Now, if I put this value of R, if I put this value of R in this equation, if I put this value of R in this equation, what I will get? Please put that value in this equation. So putting the value of R in this deflection equation. Okay, so it is minus EI into delta equals to 2ma by L into L cube by 6 minus ma into L square by 2. Okay, so this implies if I take the yeah, minus sign that side, and if I solve this one, then EI into delta becomes ma into L square divided by 6. So therefore, the fixed end moments ma is expressed in terms of delta. Okay, that is 6 EI into delta by L square. Okay, so please understand that here why we are expressing in the form of delta, because in the question the delta value is given. Okay, the delta value, this delta value will be already given. Okay, so what we did, we expressed this moment value in terms of delta, then we expressed the reaction values in terms of delta. Okay, so if that is the case, then what will be the value of R now? Similarly, so I'll put the value of ma here. So R equals to 2 into, or 2 by L into, instead of ma it is 6 EI into delta by L square. Okay, so can I write, this implies R equals to 12 EI into delta by L cube. Okay, now we have found the value of ma, we have found the value of ma, we have found the value of R. Now which one is remaining? The remaining is mb. Okay, I didn't say that ma equals to mb, never. Okay, so what will be the value of mb? Okay, so if we use these values of ma and R in the moment equation. Okay, so all of you please write like this. Okay, so hence you can write, hence the bending moment at any section, the bending moment at any section at a distance of x from A is given by m equals to ei into d square y by dx square, that will be r into x minus ma. Okay, so here, so how I got that value? So let us say this one. Okay, so I'm taking let us say I'm taking a section. Okay, so let me use some different thing. Let us say I'm taking a section here. Okay, so if I'm taking a section here, then so it will be r into x minus ma. Okay, moment at any section. Okay, so next I can write it as, so I will put the value of x and ma, sorry, the value of r and ma here. Okay, so therefore m equals to, what is the value of r? It is 2ma by l into x minus 6 ei delta by l square. 6 ei delta by l square. Okay, now if I put x equals to l here, then what will be m? The value of m, the value of m will be moment. Okay, so therefore the bending moment at b, that is putting x equals to l, we have m equals to mb equals to 2ma by l into l square minus 6 ei into delta by l square. Okay, now again I will put the value of ma in the form of delta. So this implies I'll directly take mb equals to 2 into the value of ma. What is the value of ma? It is 2 into 6 e I into delta by L square minus 6 E I delta by L square. Okay, so this implies MB equals to 6 EI into delta by L square. Okay, so here we can take an important note, and what is that one? So I can write it like this. Thus, it may be concluded that when the ends of a fixed beam are at different levels, the fixing moment at each end is numerically equal to 6. Just a moment. is numerically equal to 6 EI delta by L square. Okay, that's it. So now let us solve a problem related to this one. Okay, and this will be the last part for the fixed beams. In the next class we will directly go to the continuous beams. Any doubts, anyone having till now?
Sir,
Yes.
so we are running found that EI d square y by dx square is equal to Rx into minus m, Rx minus m. But later you wrote x square y, sir.
Come again. Oh, okay, which equation? EI into
D square y by dx square
okay, I think you have joined late. Okay,
minus
so
m.
here see, I directly went to this value. I directly went to this this part in the starting before. So that's why I told that I thought you guys will be knowing this relation. Okay, that is due to the, so since the rate of loading is 0, here EI into d to the power 4 by dx to the power 4, that will be 0. Okay, so if I integrate this one, I will get that EI into d d cube y by dx cube, that will be C1. Okay, now at x equals to 0, the shear force is R. Okay, here you can see here the sorry, where is that one? Yeah, so here the shear force at x equals to 0, this is the shear force, right? So that is R. So here I wrote, so that is, so therefore if shear force is R, then the constant C1 will be R. Okay, so that's why EI into d cube y by dx cube equals to R. Okay, and then if, so the bending moment at any section will, I will get by integrating this one. So what I did, I integrated it as, so EI into d cube y by dx cube, that becomes EI into d square y by dx square plus Rx. Okay, if I integrate R, it will be Rx plus C2. Why C2? Because here already I have taken the constant as C1, so I have taken the constant to be C2. Okay, now at x equals to 0, the bending moment is minus is ma. Okay, the bending moment is minus ma, and since it is in anti-clockwise direction, I have taken it minus sign here, so the bending moment is minus ma. So therefore this C2 value, okay, this C2 value will be ma. Okay, so I can write EI into d square y by dx square equals to Rx minus ma, the value of C2. Okay, now after that again I integrated, I got the slope equation, and upon further integrating I got the value of deflection, that is y or delta, whatever you may call. Okay, so today I will be uploading this video in YouTube. You can
Sir,
follow it back and you can understand this part.
sir.
Okay, I hope your doubt is clear.
No, sir. Another, I'm saying another what you described another, sir.
Which one you are which one you are saying?
We got EID square y by dx square is equal to Rx minus MA, right?
Wait, okay, EI d square y, okay, this one.
Yeah, we got
Yes. Uh-huh.
but
Uh-huh.
while finding the D MD moment at B,
Huh.
Before that, we need to find M.
Yes. So here you are saying, oh, wait.
Yes, sir. There is Rx, but you wrote here Rx square. So,
No, here. Okay, this one
no, no, down, sir, down.
down. Okay, Rx square. This is
Uh, M.
here, na?
M is equal to, no, sir, downward.
Downward.
Downward again, sir.
Here, no.
No, down.
Okay,
Okay.
down means next page. Yes, here.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here I am saying that hence the bending moment at any section at a distance of x from A. Okay, I am representing M as the bending moment.
Yeah.
Okay, so M equals to EI into d square by dx square. Okay, so this equation, did you understand from where I got this equation?
Yes, sir.
Huh? So that
Yeah.
I'm just representing M as bending moment. Okay, so that M is this one. Okay, so here I can write this implies M is directly equals to Rx R into X minus
M.
MA. Okay, now this MA or this M, okay, at X equals to L. Okay, at X equals to L, you see here at X equals to L, X is L. So if I take this section, MA will be MB, right? Or sorry, not MA, M will be MB. Okay, at this section, if I take, see, I have taken the section here. If I take a section here, then that moment will be MB. So that's why I have written it here as, so M equals to, so here I have mentioned it clearly, the bending moment at B, that is putting X equals to L, we have M equals to this M. This M equals to MB, that will be this, instead of this R, I have put it as 2MA by L because I have got the value of R is this one. Okay.
Yeah.
And this MA value is this one, minus 6 EI delta by L square. Okay. So from this, I get the MB value is same, minus 6 EI delta by L square. Okay.
Sir, here is Lx, but you wrote L square, sir. Only there is only
Where,
x.
where?
That same, sir. M is equal to 2MA into x must be there, but you wrote x square.
I'm taking, my dear, I'm taking putting X equals to L. I wrote here, na, putting
No,
X
no,
equals to
no.
L.
Upward equation, sir. Look once.
Here,
Yeah, there must be M is equal to 2MA into by L into x, but you wrote x square.
okay, yeah, this one.
Yeah.
This one, how? Because see, what is the value of R? See,
R is okay, sir, but here is only R into x, but here you wrote x square, sir.
okay. No, this is not, sorry, my dear, this is not square. I just put ticked here, tick mark. This is not square. If you have confused with that one, then I'm extremely sorry. Okay,
Then
I
downward,
should
sir.
have, yeah. Okay, now understood, right? It is not X square, my dear. Sorry for that. Okay, sorry for that confusion. So
Then down, sir, down.
yes.
Then there must be 2MA by.
Yeah, sorry. Even this one will be yeah, 2MA into, yes.
Yeah,
Sorry.
that
Yeah,
will be good.
yeah. Thank you. Okay, no, even I got confused with that one. Thank you so much, dear. Okay. So before you go, let us. Oh, okay. Now your doubt is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's go to topic now. All of you, please mute your mics. I'm getting some disturbance. Okay. So all of you, please mute your mics. So let us take the problem. Okay. So in the problem, it is saying that a fixed beam a fixed beam of 5 meter span carries a load or basically a point load. Okay, carries a point load, please write, carries a point load of 150 kilonewton at 3 meters from the left end, okay, if the right end sinks by 1.5 meters, sorry, not meters, 1.5 mm, find the fixing moments as well as the reactions at support. Okay, take EI, or take E equals to 2 into 10 to the power 8 kilonewton per meter square, and I equals to, capital I equals to 1 or 10,000 cm to the power 4. Okay, so before you jump into the problem, please understand what is given in the question. Okay, it is given that so we have a fixed beam here. Okay, and this fixed beam is having a 150 kilonewton load, and this span or this distance is, let us say, that is A equals to 3 meters, and this one is B equals to 2 meters. So the overall length is 5 meters, right? Okay, now here it is saying that this is end A, this is end B. Okay, let us say this is C. Okay, so here it is saying that this right support, here you can see if the right end sinks by 1.5 mm. So it is saying that this right end, it is sinking by 1.5 mm. Okay, so it is like this. Okay, so previously it was here, now the support is here. So this distance, that is delta equals to 1.5 mm, it is saying. Okay, if that is the case, so this is A, this is the end B. Okay, so here it is MA and here it is MB. Okay, right? So and here I will have this one as R, and here I will have another reaction R. Okay, so let us first calculate the fixing moment or fixed end moment. Okay, so let me change the ink. Fixing moment MA. Okay, so for this condition, first we need to find out for this condition. Okay, so since MA, it is in anti-clockwise direction, it will be minus WAB square by L square minus this delta. Okay, minus what is the value of MA? MA is, here we calculated already. See, in this current problem, pay attention. In this current problem, when we devised, is it having any kind of load? Is it having any kind of load? No. Okay, but in this present situation, we are already having a load here. Okay, so that load will have a moment. Okay, so that is minus WAB square by L square minus 6. This is just the formula, minus 6 EI delta by L square. So if you put, so all of you please put the value. So MA equals to W is 150. Okay, so 150 into 3 into 2 square divided by 5 square. This one minus sign is already here. Okay, this minus sign. Okay, then plus 6 into E is 2 into 10 to the power 8 into I is 10,000 into 10 to the power minus 8. Then delta is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by, again this value is 5 square. Okay, this MA I will erase it from here because it may create confusion. This is MA. Okay, so please find out what is the value of MA. MA is, this implies MA, or I'm directly telling you the value because the class will be over within very few minutes. So 79.2 kilonewton meter. Okay, that is the value of MA. Okay, so similarly we can find the value of MB. Okay, so MB equals to, again, so M minus WA square B by L square plus 6 EI delta by L square. Okay, now why it is plus? Because it is in the opposite direction. Okay, so I'm putting directly the value minus 150 into 3 square into 2 by 5 square plus 6 into 2 into 10 to the power 8 into 10,000 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 1.5 10 to the power minus 3 whole divided by 5 square. Okay, so this implies MB equals to minus 100.8 kilonewton meter. Okay, now what is RA? That is a reaction due to load with simply supported end minus a reaction due to end moments. Okay, so that will be 150 into 2 by 5 minus 100.8 minus 79.2 divided by 5. So that becomes 55.68 kilonewton. So RA becomes, so this implies RA becomes 55.68 kilonewton. So therefore, similarly, RB, what will be the value of RB? So RB equals to a reaction due to simply supported end condition minus, or so here it will be plus because it is in the positive direction, that is reaction due to end moments.
Scroll up, sir.
What?
Scroll up, sir. We have to write, sir.
Okay, you have to write. Is it visible now?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, please write. Plus 100.8 minus 79.2, sorry, divided by 5. So that becomes 94.32. Okay.